Food trucks are a convenient way to discover new cuisine. From fast food like burgers to freshly made sweets, they're gaining popularity day by day. The problem is, it's usually hard to know where they are and how to find them.
As such, we've decided to find a solution to this problem. For our bachelor thesis, we've created the web app called Foottruck. The web app works similarly to popular food delivery apps like Just Eat or Uber Eats. The goal is to help food trucks reach a wider audience.
For this project, we've used the Microsoft framework Blazor, which is a state-of-the-art technology for web apps. The focus of the project is the usability and the accessibility. As a data source for the food trucks, we've used the API of the open platform Craft Places. Let us show you how it works.